5 best dropshipping suppliers in New York. New York is a major hub for commerce, and it's no surprise that it's home to some of the best dropshipping suppliers in the country. With suppliers specializing in everything from fashion to home goods, partnering with New York-based companies means faster shipping, top-tier products, and excellent customer service. In today's video, we'll break down the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in New York to help you grow your business. Hey guys, welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best dropshipping suppliers in New York. Whether you're in the fashion, beauty, or home decor niche, these suppliers offer high-quality products, reliable shipping, and great support to help your dropshipping business thrive. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss our tips, strategies, and supplier recommendations. Let's jump right in. At number 5, NY Wholesale. Kicking off our list at number 5 is NY Wholesale, a supplier specializing in clothing and accessories. What they offer, NY. Wholesale offers a wide range of men's, women's, and children's apparel, along with accessories like hats, scarves, and bags. Why they're great for dropshipping. Their trendy and affordable clothing makes them an ideal choice for dropshippers in the fashion niche. Fast fulfillment. Based in New York, they ensure fast delivery to customers across the U.S. If your niche is fashion or accessories, NY Wholesale is a fantastic option to add to your supplier list. At number 4, Empire Discount. Coming in at number 4 is Empire Discount, a reliable supplier for toys and party supplies. What they offer. Empire Discount specializes in toys, games, and party decorations, catering to both kids and adults. Why they're popular. Their wide product range and competitive pricing make them an excellent choice for retailers in the party and events niche. Shipping options. With their warehouse in New York, they provide fast and efficient shipping to U.S. customers. If you're targeting families or event planners, Empire Discount is a trusted supplier you can count on. At number 3, Closeout New York. Next up at number 3 is Closeout New York, a supplier offering a variety of wholesale products at discounted prices. What they offer. Closeout New York features everything from clothing and accessories to electronics and home goods. Why it's great for dropshipping. Their closeout deals let you source products at rock-bottom prices, increasing your profit margins. Shipping and service. They offer flexible shipping options, ensuring your customers receive their orders quickly. If you're looking for discounted products to maximize your profits, Closeout New York is an excellent choice. At number 2, FragranceNet. Coming in at number 2 is FragranceNet, a leading supplier of perfumes, skincare, and beauty products. What they offer. FragranceNet specializes in designer fragrances, skincare, hair care, and makeup products. Why they're great for dropshipping. Their premium products are highly sought after, making them perfect for beauty and self-care niches. Global shipping. Based in New York, FragranceNet ships both domestically and internationally, ensuring wide market coverage. If you're in the beauty or fragrance niche, FragranceNet is a premium supplier you can trust for quality and reliability. At number 1, Park Lane Jewelry. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is Park Lane Jewelry, a premier supplier of high-quality jewelry. What they offer. Park Lane Jewelry provides a stunning collection of necklaces, bracelets, earrings, and rings, perfect for dropshippers in the fashion and accessories niche. Why they're the best. Their trendy designs and affordable pricing make them a favorite among boutique owners and online retailers. Fast shipping. With a base in New York, Park Lane Jewelry offers quick and reliable shipping across the U.S. If you're looking to sell high-quality, stylish jewelry, Park Lane Jewelry is the ultimate supplier for your dropshipping business. And that's a wrap. And that's our list of the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in New York. Let's quickly recap the list. Park Lane Jewelry, best overall for high-quality, trendy jewelry. FragranceNet, perfect for premium fragrances and beauty products. Closeout New York, great for discounted, diverse wholesale items. Empire Discount, ideal for toys, games, and party supplies. NY Wholesale, a fantastic choice for clothing and accessories. Which of these suppliers are you most excited to try for your dropshipping business? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more tips, supplier recommendations, and e-commerce strategies. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling.